How's it going, everyone? I just wanted to test out the wire cutters. I'm going to use this rebar gauge. This is what they use in construction to tie rebar together. Pretty strong shit. So we'll see how it cuts against, we got the Victorinox Swiss tool. Then we got the Leatherman Skeletal I'll try. Then we got the Leatherman Wingman. Then we got my favorite Leatherman Wave, one of my favorites. Leatherman Surge. See how that cuts? Then you got the Leatherman Rebar against the rebar. Then you got the Power Lock. I'm not a fan of these wire cutters, but we'll see how it does. Then you got the old school Gerber MP600 with the blunt end. And then you have a regular MP600. So let's try cutting. Let's start with the Victorinox Victorinox Swiss tool. Too many names here. Let's see how it cuts. You can see it's so small. Kind of slides. Not bad. Works pretty well. So that'll pass. Now let's try the Leatherman Skeletal. Oof. I barely made it. Let's try it again. It kind of slides in there. Oop. This is like the hard cutter right there. That worked pretty well. So the Skeletal will pass. Let's try the Wingman. Damn. Kind of just pinches it. I don't like that. So the Wingman kind of does shit work. Look at, not the best at wire cutting at all. Let's try the Wave. As expected, Wave works perfect. Cuts like nothing, like butter. Let's try the Surge. Yeah, that goes through nothing. It's like cutting nails. This is the hard. If you put it here, there's more heart. You can get a better cut there. Rebar against the rebar. See how it does. Damn. That actually does really good. Oop. Try it again. Yeah, that cuts like butter. Rebar against rebar. Whew. SOG Power Lock. This one I actually don't like. Let's see how it does. Actually, that did good. Does pretty good, guys. It's just when I used it, it mauled the cutters, and there's no replaceable cutters. See, it's kind of mauling it here. I had to file it. Not bad though. Let's try the Gerber MP600, the old school one with the blunt end. Ooh, it slides. It works. And then the Gerber MP600, newer version. That works great too. Alright guys, so I think the worst was definitely the Wingman. I can't even cut through it, to be honest. Look at that. I mean, you can dangle it and it'll fall off, but not really good at all. Then the Wave and Surge are pretty much comparable. And MP600 did good. Rebar did awesome. Just cuts like cutting toenails. And the Victorinox did great as well. I don't like that so small though to get it in there, but it does pretty well. Power Lock does awesome, but it kind of mauls the cutters, and you don't have replaceable. All in all, everything worked well except for the Wingman, in my opinion. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Just wanted to test this out and see how it did. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys subscribe and have a wonderful weekend. Thanks.